Hello, I am the production manager responsible for the plant behind me. Our finished products consist of different components, which are mixed, dosed and processed in a given ratio. We process both simple mixtures and complex recipes here. For the constantly increasing market requirements, we need efficient hardware and software solutions to dose our products quickly, flexibly and in consistently high quality. In the following, I will give you a brief overview of our daily challenges. Depending on the product, we have to switch between simple and complex mixing and dosing processes, which run manually as well as fully automatically. The necessary settings must be easy and uncomplicated to make. Our mixing and dosing processes are operated in parallel or separately. Process-relevant tasks and functions must therefore be available at all PC workstations throughout the plant. The connection to a higher-level ERP system is standard. For the process sequences, we need access to different data areas. Ideally, we have all information available within one system and one common interface. Examples include the management of materials, recipes and our various silos. A major challenge is to prevent a line standstill by all means. In order to be able to initiate measures in time, we need a control center where we can monitor all connected sensors and system components in real time. In summary, a flexible system with data management, process control, simultaneous visual monitoring function, as well as easy connection of various hardware components is crucial for our competitiveness. If everything is available under one user interface, that would be ideal for us. We would be able to focus on our core business and serve our customers efficiently. I would call such a system advanced. Others simply call it Batch-PMS. By the way, there is one more thing to mention. Besides the Batch-PMS software we get from Minebea Intech, we also use Minebea Intech weighing technology for our mixing and dosing processes.